That's a sad classic. That's a waste.
Can you just not say things for a moment, please? Because I'm trying to figure out.